We're thrilled to have you here. We're going to take you on a video trip to Savannah, Georgia. Step back in time with cobblestone streets, antebellum architecture, and Spanish moss-draped trees. Savannah's got a unique vibe. From its founding to the American Revolution, the city's seen it all, but it also knows how to have a good time. Get ready to explore the top 5 things to do in Savannah. You're going to love it. First things first, you got to get lost in Savannah's historic district. Wander those cobblestone streets and soak it all in. See incredible mansions from the 1800s with wrought iron balconies and grand columns. It's like walking through a movie set. Don't forget to look up. The architecture is mind-blowing. You can almost hear history whispering through the streets. Even if you're not a history buff, you'll be amazed by the beauty and grandeur. All right, after all that exploring, you're going to need a break. And there's no better place to relax than Forsythe Park. This place is like the heart of Savannah. You got families picnicking, musicians jamming, and artists sketching under the shade of those massive oak trees. And speaking of massive, you got to check out the Forsythe Park fountain. It's iconic. It's like something out of a fairy tale, especially when it's all lit up at night. Take a stroll, people watch, or just chill out on a bench and soak up the good vibes. Now let's head down to the Savannah Riverfront. This place is buzzing with energy. You got street performers, shops selling all kinds of cool stuff, and restaurants serving up some of the best seafood you'll ever taste. Take a walk along River Street, feel the breeze coming off the water, and watch the boats go by. It's the perfect place to grab a bite to eat. Enjoy the sunset and just soak up the lively atmosphere. You might even catch a glimpse of one of those giant cargo ships coming in from the Atlantic. Okay, this next one might seem a little different. Bonaventure Cemetery is unlike any cemetery you've ever seen. It's not eerie or creepy, it's actually quite beautiful and peaceful. You see, Bonaventure is like an outdoor museum. It's filled with these incredible sculptures and monuments, all surrounded by Spanish moss and ancient oak trees. It's a little bit haunting, a little bit romantic, and totally unforgettable. Plus, you might recognize it from the movie Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil. How cool is that? All right, let's talk food, because Savannah knows how to eat. From classic Southern comfort food to fresh seafood and innovative new dishes, this city's got something to satisfy every craving. You got to try the shrimp and grits. It's a Savannah staple. And don't even get us started on the peach cobbler. But seriously, come hungry and come ready to experience a culinary adventure. Your taste buds will thank you. Well, there you have it, folks. Our top 5 must-do activities in Savannah, Georgia. We hope this virtual tour inspires you to visit this amazing city. Savannah's got history, culture, beauty, and great food. It's a city that will capture your heart, so what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.